In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account without a phone number. Before we begin, a quick heads up. PayPal generally requires a phone number for full verification and security. In some regions, you can start your account with just an email and add a phone number later, but this isn't guaranteed. If PayPal asks for a phone number and won't let you proceed without it, there isn't a legitimate way to bypass that requirement. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official PayPal website. Make sure the address bar shows the correct domain and a secure connection. On the home page, select Sign Up. When you're asked what kind of account you want, choose Personal Account. This option is most likely to allow a limited sign up without a phone number, and it's perfect if you're just getting started. On some versions of the sign up page, you'll see an option to sign up with email instead of a phone number. If you see that, select it. Enter your email address and create a strong, unique password. A good password mixes upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. And it's best not to reuse one from another site. Then continue to the next screen. If you don't see an email only option and the form requires a phone number right now, that requirement is tied to your country or region, and you'll need to provide a real number to continue. Next, fill in your basic information. Enter your name and personal details as requested. If any fields are marked optional, you can skip them for now if the page allows. Review your entries for accuracy and complete the account creation process. Once you reach your new dashboard, you've successfully created the account. Off to sign up, be aware that your account may be limited without a verified phone number. PayPal may later prompt you to add and verify a number before you can send or receive money, withdraw funds, pass certain security checks, or remove account limitations. That's normal and part of how they keep accounts secure. A few important notes. Don't use fake or temporary phone numbers. Doing so can lead to account restriction or permanent suspension. A real phone number is required for full access and verification, and business accounts almost always need one from the start. That's it for today's walkthrough. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials. If you'd like, I can also explain why PayPal requires phone numbers or show you how to add or change a phone number later.